For this video, I am going to teach you how to add header background images in WordPress. And the first thing that you need to do is to go to your dashboard. And before that, I on my website, as you can see here on my screen, and then you'll be able to notice on my header, or for my header, it is transparent. Hence, it does not have any background if I want to, so I cannot set any color or any images for the background of my header. So what I need to do is to go to the dashboard. So once you are in the dashboard, just need to go to the pages section. So just locate it on the left side pane of your screen, go to all pages, and then just select any page that you have in there. And once you are in the editing page of that specific page in your WordPress, you need to go to the settings for your theme. So for my website, I'm currently using Astra as my theme. So I'm going to click onto this logo right here, which is the logo for my theme. So I'm going to click onto it. So it says Astra settings, and on the section right here, you have, or I have, three sections. So I have sidebar, disable elements, and advanced settings. So I'm going to click onto the advanced settings, and what I need to do here is to disable the transparent header, click return to post, and hit update. So once the update has been made, I just need to view the page again and see if it is already applied. So as you can see, the header is now not transparent. So what I need to do next is to go to the customize page. So I just need to click onto this section right here. So once you are in here, just hover over your header and click onto this pen or pencil icon, which is located on the upper left corner of it. And once you are in here on the section on the left side part of your screen, go to the design section. So once you're in here, go to this back feature right here, and you now can change the background of your header to color gradient or image. So if you want to go to image, click on image and click select background image. So if you already uploaded files or your images right here, just need to go to your media library, or if you want to still upload that file for your background image for your header, just click onto this upload files. But if you want to use free images, click right here. So I'm just going to select from my media library, select Era 1. And if you want to edit that image, click onto this edit image in blue text. And if you want to delete it permanently, click onto this delete permanently in red text. So I'm going to click on select. And as you can see, it is now the background image for my header. So that's that. That's basically it. That is all the process that you need to do if you want to add or do a background image for your header. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.